Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to disable notifications on Snapchat. We start by opening Snapchat and then clicking on our profile icon. After that, click on the top settings icon. Here we will click on notifications. Finally, in this section, we will be able to deactivate those types of notifications that we do not want to receive. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.